Hi, my name is Jacob Thompson. I'm a customer service rep here at Bay & Bay Transportation. I'm here to talk about on-time service and communication. Communication is a very important aspect not only in the customer service field, but Bay & Bay as a company. There's communication from the drivers to the fleet manager, from the fleet manager to the planner to the CS group, and all in between there, and even the CS group to the customer themselves. The communication is important because our customers trust us with delivering accurate and timely information, and if we do not have good communication, they won't be able to trust us with their loads and affect how much loads we get, and could affect where you're moving and the loads you get. It'll affect the good routes and the bad routes. If you want those good loads, we need the good communication so that we can continue getting those good loads for you guys.